Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and definitely volume, came pouring in here for a little bit. Unfortunately, the price gave back a lot of its gains. So there's a lot of, this is kind of a tricky chart to talk about from a presentation standpoint, because if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, and you bought up there, or you bought there, or you bought right there, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's now looking kind of rough. From a bigger picture point of view, yeah, the price did pull back and give some of its gains back, but there is a trend line now that's starting to be put into play. So this is what I want to kind of get in, and we'll just track as the week plays out. But like I said, the price is now technically starting to trend upwards, because the trend line came in effect back here on this surge. So that was the main surge, and then the price pulled back, and the pullback here, yeah, it was a deep pullback, but it still managed to pull back higher than where it was previously. So I mean, you look at the lowest the pullback made was right here, and then you look at where it previously was again before this big volume surge came in, and yeah, now it's starting to work itself higher and higher. So that'll be the main overall level. Now, even if you care about the big picture of things, and the price comes down here. So right now, big picture, what I'm saying is the price is, the chart is still okay. But if the price were to come down here and then just crash through the trend line right there, at that point, then both people that care about day trading perspective and the big picture perspective, the chart would totally be bearish in both those situations. But as of right now, yeah, I can see how from a day trading perspective, the chart would be bearish. But for those that care about the bigger picture, the overall chart is still bullish, and that's what you want, and it'll remain bullish as long as the price remains above that overall trend line. So theoretically speaking, you could have the price come down here, go all the way up here, and then come all the way back down there. May go all the way up there and then come all the way back down there, and so on and so forth. But in each of those situations, that would still be giving the price higher lows, and that's what you want to see. So assuming you care about the big picture of things, just continue to keep an eye on that trend line. And we'll see if the price can maintain above it. So yeah, looking at today in and of itself, disappointing that it gave back those gains, but taking a step back and looking at more than just 1 day, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to stay above that trend line. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.